Hello everyone, this is a brief tutorial about our grade 1 spelling homework. This week, which is the first week, day 6, that we are going to practice our homework is going to start from day 6 until day 10. So it's just a small practice week. Now normally, as you'll see in the instructions, that our spelling will go from day 1 until day 10. So again, this is just a practice week with some practice words. Next week we will really get into it, our normal routine with our normal words, okay? So here's your home learning book, and it has your child's name down at the bottom. On the very first pages you'll see our spelling homework. And here it explains that every day 1, your child will receive their spelling list and their spelling words, and then they're going to bring their journal back on day 10 to have it checked. And then the next day 1, they'll get a new set of words, okay? Now, here are all of the options that you have for doing your spelling, okay? So you have write all of your spelling words 3 times each, and then that option will be worth 1 point. Here's another example, do a word hunt. This one is worth 2 points. And how many of the words with your spelling feature can you find as you read your home reading books? Record the words you find in your home learning journal, okay? And that, again, is worth 2 points. And so you have different options that are worth a different amount of points, okay? Your job, your goal, is to earn 8 points or more over those 2 weeks, the week A, week B, or over those 10 days, okay? Here's page 2 of all of the options that you can choose, and so as you can see, there's just a boatload of options, okay? Now you'll find those spelling words in the back of the notebook, okay? And now you'll see that your child has on each of their spelling words, these are just the examples for this week, so one of our spelling words is 5, and then on the back they have a color and they have their initials. That's so that we don't mix them up into different groups. So the color is the color of their group, and their initials are the initials from their name. And those will go in the back of their home learning book just like this, okay? And so hopefully that will get nice, well sealed so that they won't fall out. You'll also find their home reading log here. As they're getting their new home readers, please just write down the date, the title of the book, whether the parent read with the child read with the parent and child read together, just put a tick there. And then the ESD, E meaning excellent retell, S meaning satisfactory retell, and H meaning had difficulty retelling. If you're looking for some examples on how to question your child in retelling, take a look at the Weebly. We put some examples of how to best read with your child at home on the Weebly, okay? And then just put an initial there. If this starts to fill up, it will start to fill up after a while, just send us a note in the communication diary and we'll put another home reading journal right there, or home reading log there, okay? So you've chosen one of those, sorry, back to our spelling. Once that you've chosen one of those spelling words and all of those words, and that you've chosen the activity that you're going to do, then you're just going to write that here, okay? So you're going to get all of your spelling words. You're going to write if I choose to write each of the words 3 times, I'm going to do that example right here. Make sure you put the date there at the top as well, okay? All right, if you have any questions, please let us know, all right?